all day.
That's boss mode.
Yeah, that is not how you do a freaking leg press, so.
Okay, how do we do a leg press?
So legs, this is a primary quad exercise, or machine I should say. Because you want to stay close and you want to stay low as possible. Like this thing really doesn't give you any much more room. But you got the ones that are very wide. You have so much room to choose from to where you want your stance. But you can either keep your toes a little pointed out, just a little bit. You don't want them like too enclosed. You want a little bit out. For hammies, you can either do like a higher stance, so up here, which will target these bad boys down here. Or you can do something like this for more experienced lifters and stuff like that. This will actually, what I've been doing lately is you do this guy here, and go up and down. This really targets the inner hammies in here, and really burns them out like crazy.
Okay, so what about the back? The back adjustment?
Back adjustment, I like to go as low as possible. When you go up higher, it's more or less to stop the range of motion from being so far, depending on your height and yeah, basically your height. Because some people are like 6'3". I'm only fucking like what, 5'8". Range of motion, more or less, you want to go as deep as you possibly can. So roughly, you go like here, a little bit wider than that. Just basically where your legs are gonna let you, like as far as your legs are gonna let you go, more or less.
How many sets, how many reps?
I would say for this, you can either go do heavy or you can go hypertrophy. It depends on your workout, depends on the day. If you're tired, if you've had enough food, because this is like a very taxing exercise if you're gonna do very heavy weight. So for like this right now, I'm probably gonna put on a little more weight, but I would say no more than 10 reps, roughly. If you're gonna go light, like literally if you're going to be light for a male, if you're gonna do really light, I would try really light, but do one-legged leg press. So when you're just doing this guy here, just for the isolation movement instead of the more compound movement. So yeah, if you're gonna do light, but I mean for women too, like you can, 12 reps probably better for you, 12 to 15. There's so many variations that you could do for this. Like for the experienced lifters, you could have someone strip the weights off, for a drop set, which will freaking destroy your legs, which is a great workout, but we'll talk about that with more technique later on. This is more or less just for range of motion, getting used to this machine. If you're new to it, try not to overload it, because you'll look like an idiot. I just like being frank about stuff. I'm not one of those guys that trying to be all professional about stuff like that. It's very simple, very easy to learn stuff. You just have to be willing to learn and be open to criticism, in a sense, because a lot of people can't take advice and they end up just looking stupid. Big tip though on this is don't ever fucking extend your knees out unless you want to see your leg snap right in front of your eyes. Don't ever let her go to the full extension, or else you are looking into very big problems, and probably even end your gym career,
body, bro.
I guess. Just keep doing upper body, that'll help. Whew. Make sure you got enough potassium in your system too when you come in here.
Potassium.
It actually helps from, if you've ever had Charlie horses, or if you eat like a banana a day at least, it'll reduce the lactic acid buildup to the point where she'll lock up on you. Just doing it constantly though, in the same spot, go see your doctor. Could be something totally different. Yeah, try to at least keep some potassium in your system, or else, yeah, I've had a problem right here on the teardrop where I'll be sleeping one night, or trying to sleep, and all of a sudden she'll just lock up on me, and I literally have to stiff leg my ass to the bathroom and throw some hot water on it. So
Does that happen at night?
Uh-huh.